Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off login notifications on Facebook. If you're tired of receiving those alerts every time you log in, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, find Security and Login. Tap on where you're logged in. Here you can access your security settings. Now look for the login alerts. You'll see an option that says get alerts about unrecognized login. If you want to turn off login notifications, simply toggle this option off. This will stop those pesky login alerts. And that's it. You've successfully turned off login notifications on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.